A very warm welcome to class 8. We all are back with today's class. Yesterday we have started with refugee blues explanation. I have already done line-wise explanation. Today we are going to do the part of the internal meaning as well as parallelly we will be going with the inner meaning. So hereby I request my lovely students to one of them to explain whatever we have studied yesterday. I want a recapitulation of this particular poem which we have done yesterday. So I request Shaurya to come up with the explanation. Shaurya,
Yes, ma'am.
please explain better what we have studied yesterday.
Ma'am, we have studied yesterday a lesson which name is poem, blues poem,
Refugee blues.
refugee blues.
Very good.
In that lesson,
What happened, beta? What we have studied yesterday, child? I have asked in the group also to revise it and come. Have I asked?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So without wasting time, I would like to give the next chance to Janam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Janam,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. So I would like to ask Janam to read it, explain me. Janam, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like that you are going to speak out now. What we have studied yesterday.
Yes, refugee blue.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
But everything was available in the portal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it is available, but
But what? I have not studied.
ma'am, if you will show the screen, if you will screen share, then I can.
Why, beta? I have explained you yesterday. This is your duty to do this much part. Even if I have discussed in the WhatsApp group also that do read it out and then come to my class. Have I said that?
Yes, ma'am.
I expect this from you. Yes or no? Janam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is very bad today. I'm really getting disappointed. Pehel? Pehel?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you ready?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Ishika?
Ma'am, actually in our book there is not this
Beta,
chapter.
leave this book. I am asking about portal. It is available or not?
Ma'am, something I can tell.
Uh,
Ma'am,
who will tell me? I'm really getting
ma'am,
disappointed from class 8. Yes,
ma'am,
Keshav? Keshav? No. Very good. Means today, the first period, everyone is saying no to me. I'm really disappointed with this class. So tomorrow I will not take class.
May I speak?
Yes, Rashi.
Ma'am, I am Bhumika.
ma'am,
Switch on the video, beta Rashi.
yes, ma'am.
Switched on. Yes. Speak, beta. Speak out, Rashi.
Ma'am, the writer, yes, ma'am. The writer thinks that, matlab, sorry, ma'am. like he thinks that कि मतलब shall I tell you in Hindi?
No, 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 no. You have to speak in
Okay,
English.
ma'am. Uh, yes, ma'am. The writer thinks that there is no place for soldiers who work in armies and all. So they think that there is no place for them, and some are living in holes, or some are having their own homes, but there is no place for them.
Fine. At least one or two lines answer I got. Thank you so much, Rashi. But really disappointed from rest of the class. I know few can answer yet. I know the names. But what is the maximum strength? I'm really disappointed today. In the morning hours, I expected that all are going to raise their hand. Ki, ma'am, I'm going to speak. But today, really.
Ma'am, one
Hmm?
thing more.
Hmm?
Ma'am, one thing more.
Yes.
One
One more thing.
ma'am, passport one.
Hmm.
Yeah,
You are
ma'am.
you are saying it from mid of
The writer also.
you're saying from the mid of the poem, right?
Ma'am, can I explain?
Ma'am, can I also?
Wait. Done, Rashi?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. No. Fine. Who is there?
it's
Who
Ma'am,
is
me,
there?
Bhumika.
Bhumika. Say, beta.
The poem Refugee Blue is written by W.H. Auden. It was written in 1939. The
Good.
poem concerns the plight of Jewish refugees in Europe,
Hmm. Jewish.
and
It
it
is
was
Jewish. Hmm. Okay.
Jewish
Jewish. Continue.
and forced to flee persecution
Hmm.
and in Nazi Germany.
Hmm.
It's a
Very good.
poem about refugee, which
Hmm.
means the
Hmm.
person who is said to leave the country.
Okay. Good. Very good. Next.
Means for food or for anything else, if they go
Anything.
to a shop or elsewhere for flight, they need a passport, but they were not having that, so they were not allowed to move from that country without passport.
Here you are a little bit wrong, but still you have tried. You have tried a lot. That's very good. Now I have to recapitulate the whole poem once again. The scenario is such that I have to do it once again. Line-wise explanation has to be done. Today what I will be doing is, today I am going to parallelly go with the explanation. Parallelly means inner meaning as well as literal meaning, right? And today I will end up this poem. Tomorrow, without any fail, I will pick up the chit and the name of the child has to speak. Am I very clear to everyone? I'm not going to ask to only few students. I want tomorrow, if I don't get this now, so I will request VP ma'am to cancel my class. I will not teach English. Clear? From next week, no, Devarsana ma'am will not be seen. Clear? I think so. You all are very happy, so I will do that only.
No, ma'am.
So if you want to study, you have to work according to me.
No, ma'am.
हाँ वो तो मजबूरी में बोल रहे हो नो मैम.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine. Thank you so much. No मैम बोलने के लिए. चलो, let us continue with the lesson. Poem. Sorry. Just a second, beta. Huh? Something wrong is there. What's going on? Wait. Today the screen is not being shared. Why?
We can see the screen.
How can you see the screen? You are seeing the screen of Zoom. No, beta.
No, ma'am, it is of laptop.
Laptop screen, na? But I want to show you the home. It's actually not getting clicked. Why I don't know. Who is writing on the screen? Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see refugee blues?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chalo. Let's start. Okay, fine. Now mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Today is the final explanation, last explanation of this poem. You are not going to speak in between. After 10 minutes, I will ask you whatever issue is there. And I request once again, those who are my beautiful naughty kids in my class, not to do this thing so that I am not getting disturbed. If I get disturbed, I will stop teaching here only. And you all know me very well. Again doing the same thing. So I'm fed up of you all, you know. Chalo. What's this? Chalo. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm muting everyone. Mute कर रही हूँ. Today something is going wrong. Clicking the mute all. I request, because there is some issue in my Zoom, I don't know what happened. I request everyone to keep themselves mute. I'm not able to mute you all. I request everyone to mute themselves. Yes, beta. Please mute everyone. When I will say you can speak now, then that time you will speak, beta. Please, huh? Don't make any disturbance in my class. So let's start. The name of the poem is Refugee Blues. W.H. Auden is a poet that you have already seen. Yeah, I have already explained you about this particular poem. And here we will be seeing, we are going to see the, once again I'm going to explain this poem, right? Read a poem that talks of the traumas of the German Jewish refugees during the Second World War. Okay, we are going to read the traumas, जो तकलीफें हुई थी किनको, German Jewish refugees को. Please write in one copy wherever you have something to write. This is known as lecture notes. When I am explaining you all children, you have to note it down. Okay, we are talking about German Jewish refugees during the Second World War. Okay, so क्या हुआ था सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम पे, जर्मन के जो जूइश रिफ्यूजीज थे उनके साथ बहुत ही गलत हुआ था. Right, I am speaking this one line in Hindi because many few children are there, those are not able to understand कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about the refugees, Jewish refugees who were staying in German. तो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम पे उनको उनके कंट्री से बाहर निकाल दिया गया था. Now, who all are refugees? Those people who have been made them out from their country due to any of the reason. It can be due to flood, it can be due to natural calamities, it can be due to any epidemic, pandemic diseases, it can be due to what we can say, due to war, due to fight, due to military issues, there may be any problem, there may be n number of issues, children. Okay, so these issues can be created, actually has been created by the country itself. These people are not the persons that who are responsible. ये responsible थोड़ी ना है, but इनको अपने देश से बाहर निकाल दिया. अब इनका कंडीशन इतना बुरा होता है बेटा कि they are not getting any chance to stay in any of the other countries too. They will be going from one place to the another, another to the another, but everyone will say, we are very sorry, we cannot help you in any sense. They will be going to different committees, they will be going to different countries by walking to and fro from one place to the another, from one place to the another. This will be the journey what they are going to face. Now see the tough condition of their life beta. Neither they have food to eat, neither they have shelter to live in, ना खाने को चीज मिल रही है, ना उनको रहने के लिए जगह मिल रही है. कितना टफ कंडीशन है इन रिफ्यूजीज का. तो इस पोम में हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं चिल्ड्रन? व्हाट वी आर स्टडीइंग अबाउट? वी आर स्टडीइंग अबाउट द ट्रॉमास, द टफ लाइफ, जो तकलीफें हुई हैं किनको? रिफ्यूजीज. I hope so now the thing is very clear to you all children, right? And I expect that tomorrow when I'm going to start my class, I expect few of the hands are going to be raised that yes ma'am, we all are ready for the class, right? I don't like this thing, but I'm really disappointed today. I didn't expect it from class 8. You know, you all are my students, and how come you all are doing this type of things? This is unexpected, isn't it? When teachers are doing so hard work, why you all are not doing a little bit help to them? If you all study, that means that is our refund, you know. This is enough for us. So please take care from tomorrow onwards, right? So I'm starting with my class now. Say this city has 10 million souls. First I'm going to read out the whole poem. Then I will read out the line-wise explanation once again. No disturbances in between. I request everyone to keep their mic off. Say this city has 10 million souls. Some are living in mansions, some are living in holes. Yet there's no place for us, my dear, yet there's no place for us. Once we had a country and we thought it fair. Once we had a country and we thought it fair. Look in the atlas and you will find it there. We cannot go there now, my friend. We cannot go there now. In the village churchyard, there grows an old yew. Every spring, it blossoms anew. Old passports cannot do that, my dear. Old passports cannot do that. I'm interrupting in between. Don't misunderstand the meaning. I will explain line wise once again. The consul banged the table and said, the consul banged the table and said, if you have got no passport, you are officially dead. If you have got no passport, then you are officially dead. But we are still alive, my dear, but we are still alive. Went to a committee, they offered me a chair. Went to a committee, they offered me a chair. Asked me politely to return next year. But where shall we go today? But where shall we go today, my dear? But where shall we go today? Came to a public meeting. The speaker got up and said, if we let them in, they will steal our daily bread. If we let them in, they will steal our daily bread. He was talking of you and me. He was talking of you and me, my dear. He was talking of you and me. Hold on. Switch off your mic. Okay. Saw a puddle in a jacket fastened with a pin. Saw a puddle in a jacket fastened with a pin. Saw a door open and cat let in. But they weren't German Jews. But they were German Jews. My dear, they weren't German Jews. Went down the harbor. Went down the harbor and stood up the queue. Stood up the queue. Saw the fish swimming as if they were free. Only 10 feet away. Only 10 feet away, my dear. Only 10 feet away. Walked through a wood. Saw the birds in the trees. Saw the birds in the trees. They had no politicians. They had no politicians and sang at their ease. They want the human race, my dear. They want the human race. Dreamed I saw a building with 1,000 floors, 1,000 windows, and 1,000 doors. Not one of them was ours, my dear. Not one of them was ours. Stood on a great plain in the falling snow. 10,000 soldiers marched to and fro, looking for you and me, my dear. Looking for you and me. These were the lines by W.H. Auden, the painful poem written by him, tried to make you all explain the tough and the trauma which the refugees passed by. Right? वो तकलीफें, वो जो दर्द उनको हो रहा था जब उनको कंट्री से बाहर निकाल दिया गया और उन्हें कहीं जगह नहीं मिली, उस दर्द को आपको समझना है. This is the actual motive of the poet to make you all understand the life of these refugees. We all are in a quite safe manner. We all are enjoying ourselves at home. But see, just think about those people, those who are there in the border or work being as refugees. Okay. So I'm going to make you line wise explain. Say this city has 10 million souls. Some are living in mansions, some are living in holes. Yet there is no place for us, my dear. Yet there is no place for us. हर सिटी में मिलियंस लोग रहते हैं. कुछ लोग महलों में रहते हैं, कुछ लोग झोपड़ियों में रहते हैं. पर फिर भी इतनी जगह होने के बावजूद भी रिफ्यूजीज के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है. Are you understanding the pain? So there are few people are staying in mansions, few people are staying in huts. But still there is a lot of space, but no space for refugees. We come to the next para. Once we had a country and we thought it fair. हमारे पास भी कंट्री था, हमारे पास भी देश था. हमें लगा था वो सिर्फ हमारा ही है. पर फिर भी जब निकाल दिया गया है उसी देश से, फिर वहां हमारा देश भी नहीं रहा. पर हमारे पास कुछ भी अब नहीं रहा. हमारे we don't have anything to live in. In the village churchyard, there's grow an old yew. विलेज में चर्चयार्ड, चर्च के बाहर का जो एरिया होता है उसको चर्चयार्ड कहते हैं. राइट? वहां पे हर साल एक बहुत प्यारा सा फूल खिलता है. ठीक? Try to understand the meaning behind it. Every spring it blossoms anew. हर साल कुछ नया होता है. फिर भी ओल्ड पासपोर्ट हमारे पास रहते हुए भी ओल्ड पासपोर्ट्स कांट डू दैट. पासपोर्ट्स का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. एक फूल के लिए वैल्यू है, वो फूल हर बार वहीं पे उग सकता है. बट अगर किसी के पास ओल्ड पासपोर्ट है या फिर पासपोर्ट नहीं है तो वो इस दुनिया में ही. The consul banged the table and said, if you have got no passport, you are officially dead. But we are still alive, my dear, but we are still alive. अगर हम लोग तो जिंदा हैं, बस सिर्फ हमारे पास पासपोर्ट नहीं है. तो क्या पासपोर्ट नहीं रहेगा तो क्या हम मर गए? Yes, this is the truth, bitter truth of life. This is the fact of life. Okay, refugees are alive, but as because they don't have their passports, so they are not being accepted. Went to a committee. फिर जो committees होते हैं ना, NGOs होते हैं, उनके पास भी गए. They offered me a chair. उन्होंने बोला refugees को कि please sit down, take your seat, take rest, but we are very sorry, we cannot help you in any case. Please do come next year. Next year क्या होगा? रहने के लिए जगह नहीं तो next year कहाँ से आएंगे? But there where shall we go today? हर जगह से ठुकराया जा रहा है, हर जगह पे कोई स्पेस नहीं दिया जा रहा है. कितना टफ है उनका लाइफ, कितना मुश्किलें हैं उनके लाइफ में. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द सिचुएशन, एंड दिस इज द पैथेटिक सिचुएशन ऑफ लाइफ, चिल्ड्रन. यू नो, came to a public meeting, the speaker got up and said, if we let them in, they will steal our daily bread. अब कुछ कंट्रीज वाले बोल रहे हैं, अगर हम इन रिफ्यूजीज को अंदर आने दे दिए, ओके फाइन, दे तो दिए, चलिए अलाउ कर दिए, बट वो भी कमाना शुरू करेंगे. तो वो कमाएंगे जो हम कमा रहे हैं, तो हमारी अर्निंग भी चली जाएगी. हमारा जो ब्रेड है, ब्रेड मीन्स खाना, हाउ टू अर्न द मनी टू हैव देयर मील्स, तो वो भी अब हमारे से छिन जाएगा. तो बेटर है हम उनको आने ही ना दें. अब थिंक अबाउट द सिचुएशन, दे डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, इवन काम करके भी वो अर्न नहीं कर सकते. कितना पैथेटिक सिचुएशन, कितनी टफ लाइफ है उनकी, राइट? Wait. Saw a bottle in a jacket fastened with a pin. Saw a door open and a cat let in. ऐसे जैसे कि जैकेट का बटन खोलना, वैसे दरवाजा खुला, पिन खुला, दरवाजा ओपन हुआ, और कौन अंदर गया बेटा? पेट, कैट लेट इन. एक बिल्ली भी अंदर चली गई. आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू स्विच ऑफ देयर माइक. बिल्ली भी अंदर चली गई, मीन्स पेट के लिए भी जगह है, बट जर्मन ज्यूज के लिए जगह नहीं है, रिफ्यूजीज के लिए जगह नहीं है. दे डोंट हैव स्पेस फॉर रिफ्यूजी पीपल ऑल्सो. Went down the harbor and stood upon the quay. Went down the harbor. Harbor क्या होता है? जहाँ पे शिप चलती है ना, शिप जहाँ पे जाके रुकती है, that place is known as harbor. Saw the fish, वहां पे भी जाके देखते हैं. Saw the fish, they are swimming freely. आजाद हैं वो, free हैं वो. Only 10 feet away, my dear, only 10 feet away. सिर्फ 10 फीट की दूरी थी, पर एक जगह पे मैं शांत चुप खड़ा था, जिसके पास ना जगह है रहने के लिए, ना खाने के लिए कुछ है. Nothing is there. Such a tough life it is. Walked through a wood, saw the birds in the trees. देखा थोड़ी देर दूर जाके कि पेड़ों में जो चिड़िया है, they are also enjoying the life. See the beautiful life what they are having, right? They want the human race. क्यों जिंदगी जी पा रहे थे? They all are living beings, but at least वो human being तो नहीं थे. Human being के साथ इतना pathetic situation आता है. It's a very tough life, children, you know, regarding human race, because they have to always struggle and then stand. So it's a very pathetic situation. Dreamed I saw a building with thousands floors. मैंने इतने बड़ी buildings देखी, हजारों दरवाजे, हजारों खिड़कियां, इतने जगह, सबके लिए जगह है. There is space for everyone, but not for refugees, children, not for refugees. From everywhere they were being rejected. Everywhere. Neither they can earn, neither they can leave, neither they can do anything. So this is the tough life what they are having. And then the last two lines, stood on a great plain in the falling snow. 10,000 soldiers marched to and fro. कितना भी बर्फ गिरे, बारिश गिरे, पानी गिरे, हजारों soldiers इधर से उधर दौड़ रहे, इधर से उधर, just to earn their bread, just to have their shelter. So please children, don't be inhuman. Develop humanity in yourself. इंसानियत पैदा कीजिए. इतना rude, इतना tough मत बनिए. Looking for you and me, my dear, looking for you and me. ऐसे लोगों के लिए वो लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं जिनको जगह देंगे उनको. So please become a good human being and try not to be inhuman to everyone. So that's what I wanted to explain in this particular poem, and I expect you all are going to read everything from the everything from where, from the portal system, and I expect that you will do that, right? Fine. So this was my ending of my class, and I expect tomorrow your remaining whatever is left of last lesson, that also I will